In previous videos, you may recall that we took a look at general navigation within Standard Time and the icons that you see here in the Home and Home All views, and that we went into the Project Assistant to create new jobs or projects or work orders and tasks. This video will take a little deeper look into projects and project tasks. So let's go ahead and start by clicking on the Projects icon. You'll notice a list of all the jobs in the system at this time, and you may notice that jobs are broken down by folder, or in some cases subfolders, and that the icons look different depending on whether the job is active or inactive. And you may recall that you can double-click to open up the properties of each job on the right-hand side. Turns out you can also filter this view by opening up the filter and choosing options from the left-hand side. Multiple options will reduce the list even more, and you can click the X button to go back to your original list. Now let's take a look at project tasks. Go over to the Home, All Views, and then into the Project Tasks icon. You see a list of all the tasks in the system, and you'll remember that you can click to show the properties on the right-hand side. You'll notice that jobs are broken down by subproject and by task. You can scan barcode labels with these task names to start and stop a timer, or enter time directly into the timesheet where you will see the same project tasks. So this lets you perform some project management. There are a lot of other things you can do with project tasks, including resource allocation and employee availability, but we'll get into those in a later video. So by way of review, you would normally start by going to the Project Assistant to create or duplicate jobs, which will add new items to your list of projects and project tasks. So go ahead and get started with this. Create some new jobs and tasks, and then in later videos we'll take a look at other things you can do with project tasks, including looking out into the future to see where jobs might be slotted for production, or where employees may take on new jobs, and to see their employee availability into the future.